Today we are going to be making a sandwich order. This is what I use in my dramatic play centers, and that way when the kids are taking their pretend sandwich orders, they can just check off the boxes for what the other student would like. So let's name this sandwich order form. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add in a square. Let's make that 2. So I always start off with a title at the top. And here I am going to actually insert a text box. So text over here, and I just click add a heading. And I'm going to go ahead and change that. And then we'll just put our heading over here, and I'm going to name this sandwich order. Let's make it much bigger. I think that looks good. I want my box a little smaller. All right, that looks great. Now I just always like to put a border around. So let's do that. And then for that, I'm actually going to do the border here. I always make it 5 and I leave it black. And then I want the inside to have no color. So I click up here, no color. Actually, let's make this the same color. I'm going to make this a little thicker. I like that better. Okay, so once we have that, I need to start adding in my little check boxes. So for my check boxes, I want to be able to have 6. So I need to make them small enough that we can put 6 things, 6 boxes. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the border on those again. I just want a black outline with no fill on the inside. All right. So let's put 1, 2. All I'm doing right now is clicking Control on my keyboard, C to copy, and then Control V to paste. 5, 6. Okay. And then I'm going to move this over to the side for now so I can use my cursor here and select all of these boxes. And then I'm going to make them smaller. And the other thing I'm going to do is select these and move them up just a little bit. And then if you want to, click, drag, select all of these. And then I am going to go to over here. Once I selected them all, there's 3 dots, just more, space evenly. I want to tidy up. And those are still too close. So I'm going to select them again, make them smaller. And then I'll drag this one down. Whoops. And then I will tidy up again. So that's much better. That's where I would like them. Now let's drag this back over to the center. Awesome. Now I am going to insert another text box. I am going to use the same font. So I searched it up before. We'll just click that one. And I'm going to put bread. We want some bread for our sandwich. That's what we have in our play kitchen, so that's what I am going to put on here. And then for this one, I'm going to zoom in. So on this bottom slider bar, I can just slide that over. And I actually want a little bit of a space. And I want to make this bigger. So I think that looks great. I'm going to go ahead and click Control C and Control V again. And drag it down to this one. And for this, we have a bun. That's just another thing we have on hand in our play kitchen. And then another way to copy, you can also just click duplicate. Let's see right there. Oh. And these are going to be BLTs. So we need bacon. And see if you carefully scroll over, it's lined up and we have it in the center. Beautiful. And then I'm going to just do that for the rest of these. We need lettuce. Okay, now that I have all of those, I want to go to images. I want to add some images in here. So one way you could do this is you could go to Elements and we could search bread. Perfect. And we could go over here and we could find some bread and you could insert the ones you want. I like to keep all of my images from the same illustrator, so I purchase all my images from Whimsy Clips. And then I can just upload them here. So we're going to look up bread. And here we are. I'm just going to put this sandwich bread and then shrink it down. Since we have younger students, it's nice to have the images. That one I will look up after. And then you might need to resize these images to fit. I just put this crescent all in here. And we will just put that like that. Alright. Then I am going to click share and download. And I want to download this as a PDF. I'm going to flatten my PDF and click download. And then it should download it. And when it's all done, I can click up here and it should open up.